Hi there, you are watching Scuba Mom. Today I got the solution for the babies who suffer from gas, colic, fussiness, and hiccup. Gripe water. What I like about gripe water, because it's a supplement, it's made from herb like ginger and fennel. You can give to your baby as many as 6 times in 24 hours period. All the information is on the side of the box. What the experience with gripe water? When I first tried to give my baby the gripe water, it seemed like she had a hard time to swallow. Would be the thickness of the gripe water. Here is my tip. I dilute the gripe water with an ounce of water. You can give gripe water to the baby as young as 2 weeks old. With the dropper, it also comes in the box as well. The dropper is just 2.5 ml or half a teaspoon. You just give the baby 2 weeks old only 1 drop. When the baby turns to 1 month to 6 months, you can give the babies 2 drops or 1 teaspoon, 5 ml. I give my baby twice a day, one in the morning and one before bed. Hopefully my solution can help your baby. Thank you for watching Scuba Mom. Bye.